Welcome to Delhi Law Firm, your trusted legal partner for justice and legal awareness across India. Today, we are discussing a very sensitive and thought-provoking issue. If a husband betrays his wife and gets involved in an extramarital affair, can the wife take legal action against his girlfriend? Can she demand compensation for the pain, humiliation, and emotional suffering she has gone through? Recently, the Delhi High Court made an important observation that has stirred debate across the nation. Justice Purushendra Kumar Kaurav stated that if a marriage breaks because of the involvement of a third person, or if a wife is deprived of her marital rights due to her husband's affair, she can file a civil case and claim damages from that third person. This statement has sparked widespread discussion about whether emotional harm and betrayal within a marriage can be compensated by law. The remark came during a case where a woman accused her husband of having an affair and demanded rupees 4 crore in compensation from his girlfriend. The High Court is now considering whether a third person can be held legally responsible for breaking someone's marriage. If the court rules in her favor, it will become the first case in India where a third person outside the marriage could be ordered to pay for the damage caused to a marital relationship. Until 2018, adultery was a criminal offence under Section 497 of the Indian Penal Code. But in the famous Joseph Shine vs. Union of India case, the Supreme Court decriminalized adultery, stating that while it was morally wrong, it could not be treated as a crime. However, the court also noted that adultery could still be a valid ground for divorce. Now, the Delhi High Court has introduced a new angle that even though adultery is not a criminal act, it can still lead to civil consequences if a third person intentionally damages the marriage. This case has opened an important discussion about personal freedom, emotional justice, and the legal protection of marriage. The decision will have a long-lasting impact on how society and law view marital relationships in the modern era. At Delhi Law Firm, we believe in spreading awareness about such evolving laws so that every citizen understands their rights and legal remedies in cases of emotional or marital injustice. If you or someone you know is facing issues related to marriage, adultery, or separation, you can reach out to Delhi Law Firm for guidance and professional legal support. Helpline 9990649999. Thank you for listening.